वेलकम टू मार्क टेल। आज की जो स्टोरी है ना वो बिजनेस की नहीं है, ये एक लव स्टोरी है। एंड नॉट जस्ट अ सिंपल लव स्टोरी, इट इज अ लव ट्रायंगल। ऑन वन हैंड वी हैव अ फर्स्ट हीरो हु इज एक्सट्रीमली स्ट्रॉन्ग, जो कि जर्म्स के लिए घातक माना जाता है, और अगर आप घायल हो तो सबसे पहले आपकी मदद करता है सनी डेटॉल। डेओल डेटोल और हाँ, इन्हें डेट पे जाना बहुत पसंद है।
तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख।
On the other hand, we have a relatively very effective your partner in cleanliness, जो wanted germs को kick कर देता है but is still single, Savlon Khan।
जिंदगी में 3 चीज कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना, I, me and myself।
And now both of them are chasing this heroine who is not so smart. She believes whatever these heroes tell her.
It's her choice.
But in spite of this, she is very powerful and can decide the fate of these heroes. Well, she is Consumeria Sharapova. So in this race of getting the attention of Consumeria, what all efforts did our heroes make? Maria. And who emerged to be successful? Let us find out in today's video. Wait. And before we move ahead, let us make sure that we maintain clean hands. This is issued in public interest by Sunny Dettol.
अशरफ अली, अशरफ अली, अशरफ अली, अशरफ अली, अशरफ अली।
Welcome guys, I am Aditya. Here at Mark Tales, we talk about interesting stories of our day-to-day brands. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to it by pressing the red colored button right below the video so that you can get an update about the upcoming videos. Today we are talking about a brand war which raged between Dettol and Savlon. It was 1935 when Dettol was launched in India as the antiseptic liquid. Over the years, Dettol built a strong trust over customers when it came to safety from germs. The antiseptic liquid was multi-purpose and it had a wide range of use, from killing germs from the flooring to killing germs from clothing. Basically disinfecting anything. चलो बाबा, फोन को इसी से साफ कर देता हूँ, मतलब फोन के सारे चाइनीज ऐप्स निकल जाएंगे। Dettol enjoyed a monopoly in the segment. Now if you were to look at the features of Dettol, it was an extremely powerful liquid which would eradicate germs instantly. But at the same time, when it was applied to wounds, it would severely burn them.
जली ना?
शायद सालों से शर्मा जी का बेटा कॉलोनी के अंकल्स पे यही छिड़क रहा था, इसलिए उनकी जल रही थी। This was a problem identified by Johnson & Johnson. हाँ, वही कंपनी जो बेबी सोप बनाती थी। तो बेबी सोप बनाते बनाते ये लोग ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हो गए एंड इन्होंने मार्केट में डेटॉल की फिलॉसफी तो देख ही ली थी। जब ये 2.5 किलो का बूंद किसी जख्म पर पड़ता है ना, तो आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है। तो इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए इन 1993 दे ब्रॉट अ अदर हीरो इन द मार्केट, मिस्टर सैवलॉन।
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
नहीं।
The beauty of this product was that it did not burn when it was applied on wounds. It was a different formula. Many research labs had proven that Savlon was a better antiseptic liquid compared to Dettol when it came to cleaning germs. At the same time, it did not cause any pain to the user.
तो राम निकला रे, देव मानुस निकला।
An added benefit of Savlon over Dettol was that it did not smell like the ICU ward of a hospital. It had a good fragrance to it. So they created a neat communication plan. They positioned themselves as an antiseptic liquid जो दे ज़्यादा असर बिना जलन, and it had a good scent to it.
पास मत लाओ, बदबू।
नाक खोलो, बदबू नहीं है।
अरे ध्यान से, जलेगा।
इस एंटीसेप्टिक से जलन नहीं होगी।
तो फिर असर कैसे होगा? तुम कुछ भी नहीं जानती हो।
इसका असर ज्यादा है।
मतलब ज्यादा जलन। ओ गॉड। लगाओ, जल्दी लगाओ।
कब का लगा दिया?
हैं? लगा दिया, जला भी नहीं। क्या है ये?
जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन का सेवलॉन एंटीसेप्टिक लिक्विड, ज्यादा असर बिना जलन।
Now with the product being superior to the competitor, it would have been more successful, right? Yes, in an ideal world where every good guy was committed, every TikToker had a job, and people don't eat bats for God's sake.
हेलो।
नोवेल कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है।
तेरी माँ की राख, एक तो इधर जान जा रही है।
But we don't live in an ideal world, and Dettol knew exactly how to turn the tables against Savlon, even though they had an inferior product.
बेशरम आदमी, तुम्हारे बाप का पैसा है?
The one thing that Dettol had over Savlon was that it was in the market for close to 60 years before Savlon was launched. But is simply being senior in the market enough to create a positive impact? ऐसे तो MDH वाले चाचा 600 साल सीनियर है, फिर तो हॉगवर्ट्स के हेडमास्टर वही होने चाहिए डंबलडोर की जगह. So how did Dettol use their early existence in the market for their own benefit? An important point to note here is that Dettol had built this trust over the customers at a time when there was no competitor. इसका मतलब एंटीसेप्टिक लिक्विड लगाने से जलन होती ही है, यही लोगों का बिलीफ था, because there was no product to prove otherwise. तभी इसी ट्रेड को एक्सप्लॉइट करते हुए Dettol ने एक काउंटर कैंपेन लॉन्च किया. They said that the tingling sensation on wound after application of Dettol meant that the wound was healing. यानी अगर वो जल नहीं रहा है, इसका मतलब एंटीसेप्टिक लिक्विड काम नहीं कर रहा है.
Are you comedy me?
So when an antiseptic liquid like Savlon claimed to not cause you pain because it is advanced, customers thought that it is useless for healing and that it is just colored water. No tingling means it is not working. This goes down to the habit loop that we had discussed before in the Claude Hopkins video. You can check out that video right here. A habit loop consists of a trigger, activity and reward. Trigger here in this case for using the antiseptic liquid would be getting a wound, and the activity would be application of the liquid on the wound. But the reward, which should be actually feeling relieved, is instead the tingling or burning sensation on the wound, which was hammered by Dettol over the years. With no sensation, there was no reward for using Savlon, which is why customers believed Dettol's campaign over Savlon's. So in the first innings played in the 90s, Sunny Dettol took Consumeria on
तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख.
और Savlon खान फुटपाथ पे आ गया. मगर कहानी यही पूरी नहीं होती है. Around 25 years later, in 2015, ITC procured Savlon from Johnson & Johnson. The one thing that ITC had clearly realized from J&J's mistake was that J&J never went for habit formation. They tried to change a consumer behavior entirely. Consumer behaviors can be changed, yes, but it takes time. And they had given up very early. So ITC wanted to create a habit, and creating habits in adults is a difficult task, but it is relatively easy amongst kids. Also, you would need the antiseptic liquid more often for children because they are the ones who would tend to get wounded more. Which is why they have now focused their efforts on positioning themselves for kids using Chota Bheem as their mascot. They have made products like the Compass Sanitizer Spray, especially for children.
मेरे पास है Savlon Pen Sanitizer Spray. बस इसको खोलो और हाथ में स्प्रे करो.
And not just this. They are also doing a CSR activity focused around students using ID Guard.
Presenting Savlon ID Guard. With the school's help, we first made a regular ID card and gave it a powerful makeover by adding hand wash. Now, like a bodyguard, hand wash will always be around.
With this strategy, they can definitely gain a market share in the coming future. Till then, Dettol even today enjoys a huge 85% market share in the antiseptic liquid segment.
जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद रहेगा.
That concludes today's story. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो इसको लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिए. आपको कोई भी फीडबैक होगा इन वीडियोस के बारे में तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी बिल्कुल बताइए. और अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं किसी प्रोडक्ट को कवर करूँ आने वाले वीडियोस में तो मुझे वो भी कमेंट्स में आप बता सकते हैं. अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर दीजिए. बस ये रेड कलर का बटन जो है सब्सक्राइब का, इसे प्रेस करना है. साथ ही में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी प्रेस कर दीजिए सो दैट आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा जब भी मैं अपना अगला वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा. थैंक यू सो मच.